Okay, we have a Sharp vertical milling machine, model LMV50, serial number 704-24783. Machine was new in 1999, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a variable speed head, 9x50 table with a servo power feed. Right now he's running the power feed. That's rapid on the feed. You can see the DRO working, which is a NEWALL 2-axis digital readout. You have there's a cross travel. Machine, again, is 37-inch longitudinal travel, 12 inches across. You also have the vertical knee travel of 16, up and down. We're going to run the head. Variable speed. Right now he's feeding. It's variable speed. Forward and reverse. It's feeding the spindle down. Okay. Brake. Low range or the high range? This is the low range?
Low range.
This is the low range.
That's required.
Power drawbar, that's the RE collet. Okay, I think you've seen it. You see the DRO works in both axes, the power feed of the table, the head, the power drawbar. Thank you for watching our video.